Textual communication. Q1. A student wants to add new text between existing words without deleting anything. Which mode should be active? A. Replace mode. B. Overwrite mode. C. Insert mode. D. Delete mode. Answer: C. Which action saves time when making multiple headings bold in a document? A. Retyping text. B. Formatting each word separately. C. Selecting text and pressing Ctrl plus B. D. Changing page size. Answer: C. A document shows many red wavy lines. What should be done first to fix them efficiently? A. Change font. B. Print the document. C. Run spelling and grammar check, F7. D. Add images. Answer: C. Which list type is best when steps are to be followed in exact order? A. Bulleted list. B. Symbols. C. Numbered list. D. Paragraphs. Answer: C. A document must look the same on all computers and should not be edited. Which format is best? A. DOCX. B. TXT. C. PDF. D. HTML. Answer: C. A student used cut instead of copy by mistake. Which command will restore the text? A. Paste. B. Redo. C. Undo, Ctrl plus Z. D. Save. Answer: C. To change a word everywhere in a document quickly, which tool is most effective? A. Copy-paste. B. Spell check. C. Find and replace. D. Font style. Answer: C. A table heading should appear once across many columns. What should be done? A. Add more rows. B. Delete columns. C. Merge cells. D. Change alignment. Answer: C. A student wants page numbers on every page automatically. Which feature should be used? A. Header. B. Text box. C. Footer. D. Table. Answer: C. Why is formatting important in a project? A. It increases file size. B. It slows printing. C. It improves readability and presentation. D. It deletes errors. Answer: C. Which orientation is best for wide tables and charts? A. Portrait. B. Vertical. C. Landscape. D. Normal. Answer: C. What happens when the delete key is pressed? A. Deletes character to the left. B. Deletes whole word. C. Deletes character to the right of cursor. D. Deletes whole line. Answer: C. Caps lock is on, but a student wants to type one lowercase letter. What should be done? A. Tab. B. Enter. C. Hold Shift key. D. Delete. Answer: C. Which feature keeps school name visible at the top of every page? A. Paragraph style. B. Table. C. Header. D. Footer. Answer: C. Which file type is best for sharing assignments without editing? A. DOC. B. TXT. C. PDF. D. HTML. Answer: C. A student wants to move text from one place to another. Which option is correct? A. Copy plus paste. B. Cut plus paste. C. Delete plus type. D. Save plus close. Answer: B. Bullets are preferred when A. Steps are important. B. Sequence matters. C. Order is not important. D. Printing is needed. Answer: C. Numbering is best used when A. Listing names. B. Making designs. C. Order or sequence matters. D. Writing paragraphs. Answer: C. Which sign shows a grammar mistake in a document? A. Red straight line. B. Blue dotted line. C. Green wavy line. D. Black underline. Answer C. Which shortcut opens the Find and Replace window? A. Control plus F. B. Control plus R. C. Control plus H. D. Control plus P. Answer C. A table helps mainly to A. Decorate document. B. Add images. C. Organize data clearly. D. Change page size. Answer C. Which shortcut creates a new document quickly? A. Control plus S. B. Control plus O. C. Control plus N. D. Control plus P. Answer C. What is the main use of the cursor? A. Formatting text. B. Saving document. C. Showing typing position. D. Printing text. Answer C. A student wants equal space between lines for neatness. Which option should be used? A. Font size. B. Margin. C. Line spacing. D. Orientation. Answer C. Which key moves the cursor several spaces to the right at once? A. Spacebar. B. Shift. C. Tab. D. Enter. Answer C. Why is a soft copy useful? A. It needs paper. B. It can be stored and shared digitally. C. It cannot be edited. D. It is always printed. Answer B. Which of the following is a hard copy? A. PDF file. B. Word file. C. Email attachment. D. Printed document. Answer D. Which shortcut underlines selected text? A. Control plus B. B. Control plus I. C. Control plus U. D. Control plus C. Answer C. Which tool helps in correcting repeated typing mistakes? A. Formatting. B. Bullets. C. Find and replace. D. Orientation. Answer C. Which feature gives a document a professional look by repeating information on every page? A. Table. B. Font style. C. Header and footer. D. Bullets. Answer C.